Flower arrangements are an important part of the ambience. It is an organization of design and colors towards creating ambience using flowers, foliage, and other floral accessories. Flowers have the ability to introduce a personal touch in an otherwise staid and impersonal hotel room or a lobby. It adds to the beauty of an area. Guests appreciate flowers for the freshness they bring to the surroundings. In a nutshell, flower arrangements are a simple and effective way to amplify the welcome setting of any place. On this note, I, Rasika Shahane, Assistant Professor at AISSMS CHMCT Pune, welcome you all for today's session on Introduction to Flower Arrangements. Our resource person for these sessions is Ms. Saroj Joshi, a well-qualified instructor of Ikenobo Ikebana School of Floral Art, Japan. Ms. Joshi is a graduate in computer science, but her love and passion for flowers made her shift the career path from gadgets to the creative field of flower arrangements. She is a qualified associate second term master's course of Ohara School of Ikebana, Japan, and first grade instructor for the course of Ikenobo Ikebana School of Floral Arts, Japan. With her experience and expertise in this field, Ms. Joshi has been teaching the Ikebana and Floral Arts at Indudai Tilak Kala Kendra Pune from last 15 years. And from last 4 years, she is teaching at Institute of Floral Design Pune branch. She has taught floral designs and conducted several lectures, workshops at colleges, NGOs, government and corporate organizations. Ms. Joshi is also active in the field of professional floral designing for various clients. Besides all, she is passionate pressed flower deco artist and conducts the workshop for dried pressed flower arts. It's indeed our pleasure to have Ms. Saroj Joshi with us for introducing different flower arrangement styles used in the hotel industry along with some demonstrations. In today's session, Ms. Joshi is going to talk about Introduction to Flower Arrangements, importance of flower arrangements in hotel industry, and various types of flower arrangements used in hotels. Let's hear an expert talk.
Good morning. Myself Saroj Joshi. Today I am here to give you flower arrangement demonstration. First of all, I would like to welcome you for this session. Thank you for inviting me, AISSM team. Let's switch to flower arrangement presentation and then demonstration. Flowers and flower arrangements is a part and parcel of hotel industry. Flowers not only creates beautiful ambience, pleasing and good moods, flower creates positive energy. Arranging flowers in attractive way is an art that should be learned with traditional and modern techniques. Let us know more about it. What is flower arrangement? Flower arrangement is a planned organization of flowers and foliage. Though we say flower arrangement, we use lots of foliage, branches, stems, fruits, then roots, and whatever we get in nature can be used in flower arrangement. There are different styles of arrangement. Broadly, there are three styles: Western style arrangement, Ikebana or Oriental style flower arrangement, and modern or contemporary, or we can say freestyle flower arrangements. First, we will see Western style arrangements. Here you can see some arrangements based on Western style. The emphasis is on use of many flowers as a mass in the floral arrangement. Triangle, round, S, crescent, horizontal, these kind of shapes are created using lots of flowers and foliage. To create a particular shape, we need lots of material. Generally, these shapes are geometrical shapes and symmetrical. Some arrangements are asymmetrical also. This is triangular arrangement, which is very popular shape. This is symmetrical triangle. Like symmetrical triangle, we can create asymmetrical triangle also. To create any particular shape, first we do line work or framework with line material and then fill up the shape with mass and filler flowers. This is round arrangement or multi-sided arrangement, which can be viewed from all the sides. This is horizontal one, which is flat arrangement. This is also multi-sided arrangement. Height of this arrangement is less than width. Crescent shape, we can say this is a moon of first quarter. S shape or Hogarth curve, this is also called line of beauty. In this arrangement, we use flowy material. We are going to see demonstration of this arrangement. Now, another type of flower arrangement is Ikebana. Ikebana is the ancient Japanese art of flower arranging. The name comes from the Japanese Ike, meaning alive, and Hana or Bana means flowers. Ikebana is not only a decoration, it is a spiritual process. It develops closeness with nature. We can say it is friendship with nature. Ikebana is different from Western floral arrangements in its use of empty space, minimal material, and asymmetrical forms. We have seen some Western arrangements, lots of flowers were used and definite shapes were there, and some of the arrangements were symmetrical. But in Ikebana, all the arrangements are asymmetrical only. There are many ways in which Ikebana can be learned. There are number of Ikebana schools in Japan. Ikebana is like Indian classical music. And like classical Indian music, we have lots of gharanas. Like that, there are Ikebana schools. Ikenobo, Ohara, Sogetsu, Wafu are some of the popular schools all over the world. These are two classical arrangements of Ikebana. Representation of landscape. Here you can see very less material is used and lots of space is there, and emphasis is on line. Use of minimal material and space is very important in Ikebana. There are three or principal, or we can say main stems exist in all major Ikebana schools. They symbolize heaven, man, and earth. Branches, flowers, or leaves, we can say stems of different lengths, are placed at specific angle to form scalene triangle of heaven, man, and earth. Additional branches or stems are used to support these principal stems. This is one traditional arrangement, which is shoka. name of the arrangement is Shoka, and this is of Ikenobo School's basic arrangement. You can see the asymmetrical triangle of leaves. Shin, Soe, Tai is the basic triangle which represent heaven, man, earth. In this, only one kind of material is used. This is also one basic style which is called Moribana upright style, and this is of Ohara school's arrangement. Here, subject which represents heaven, secondary branch which represent man, and object which represent earth. Asymmetrical triangle of heaven, man, and earth is done, and other material which is called filler or supporting stems are used, and arrangement is complete. For Ikebana, variety of vases are used, and for particular arrangement, the specific vase is also used. Each school have their own vases. These are some examples of Ikenobo school vases. Vases are made up of bamboo, metal, or brass, or wood. Here are some bamboo vases also. These are the vases of Ohara school of Ikebana. Here you can see some vases are tall vases, some are flat or shallow vases. How to arrange the flowers in shallow vases? There are different techniques used to arrange flowers in tall container as well as flat container. For flat vases, this kind of base is used, which is called kenzan or pin holder, which with the help of that kenzan, we can insert the stem in particular angle or at particular position. Let's see some Ikebana style arrangements done in using specific particular vase of that school and in pin holder. This is rising form. You can see just 2 gladiolus and 3 roses are used this in the arrangement, and D-shaped vase is used. This is inclining form. Hana issue is a style of Ohara school. This is a basic style. Very few material is used, just 5-6 stems are used. The main stem of fern is placed in inclining form, so name is also based on that. This is Moribana water reflecting style. You can see beautiful light blue color vase representing like a pond or water, and branch of Dracaena is reflecting over the water, and 3 roses are there. So in Ikebana, not only flowers or foliage, branches are also used. These are the 2 traditional arrangements of Ikenobo school. Some different arrangements. One is hanging arrangement and one is done in bamboo vase with 2 mouths. Circular form of Ohara school can be viewed from all the sides. Most of the time, Ikebana style arrangement are one-sided arrangement, but there are few arrangement which can be seen from all the sides. This is Heika style, means that arrangement is done in tall vase. Without pin holder, this arrangement is done. There is different technique of arranging stems, branches in the tall vase. This is Moribana landscape, traditional arrangement of Ohara school. Just imagine you are standing near some pond and enjoying nature. We can see trees, plants, bushes, flowers, grass, ground cover, and that is represented with the help of vase the landscape is created in the container. So these are few examples of Ikebana style. Next is modern or contemporary flower arrangement. These flower arrangements are based on Ikebana and Western style arrangements, but the distinct compositions as per taste of floral designer. In Ikebana styles or in traditional styles, generally the material used is in natural form, but in modern or contemporary style, we can change the form of material, variety of material can be used, even non-natural material is used. Sometimes without vase also arrangement can be done. Here are some contemporary arrangements. The material is bended or some used in different format. This type of glass vases are nowadays very popular. You can do the arrangement inside the glass container as well as on the top of the glass. By learning theory and practice, you can do attractive flower arrangements for rooms, reception area, coffee tables, dining tables, hotel lobby, and other places. This is how you will be benefited by flower arrangements. Thank you.